Welcome. It's a new day and time to do some job. So let me bring my wheelbarrow down and let's start digging. As always, please sit back and enjoy. Yesterday we finished this retaining wall panel. The concrete needs some time to cure, so in the meantime I will be moving some sand. In the upper layers of clay I had to use pickaxe for digging, but having now basically sand only, I can manage just with shovel. Sand itself is lighter than clay. I can therefore afford loading wheelbarrow really full over top. I mark for every wheelbarrow I'm bringing up. When necessary, I adjust wheelbarrow position in the lift. Then run up and start lifting. When the wheelbarrow is unloaded, I send it back down for a refill. Then I start loading again. And this is how it looks like up in our garden. There is a lot of sand to bring up and not too much space in the garden left. So I need to pile up as much material as possible. With one day past, the concrete is in newly built retaining wall panel is hard enough to remove the supporting form. I unscrew all screws holding the form together and then start slowly with disassembly. Taking the form apart from top to bottom, trying to clean each and every board from the concrete as much as possible. This way I continue all the way down. Last 3 boards are permanently fixed to the form frame, and these I'm leaving together. This way all will be clean and ready for use at next panel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. I will be looking forward to seeing you at our next video. Thank you for watching.